Art. Hello everyone, this is Akriti here. Today I am drawing hygiene things. First I am drawing toothbrush and toothpaste. Story time. Baby Mia had little teeth that were starting to show. One evening, Mommy showed her tiny toothbrush with soft bristles. Time to brush, Mia, Mommy said, gently brushing her teeth in small circles. Mia giggled as Mommy sang a silly song while brushing. Every night, they kept the routine and soon Mia's teeth grew healthy and strong. Mommy smiled and said, brushing makes your teeth happy. The moral of this story is clean teeth help keep smiles bright and healthy for a lifetime. Color time. Purple. Yellow. Green. Red. Now I am drawing comb. I love drawing and coloring. Red. Pink. Now I am drawing nail cutter. Good hygiene like washing hands and brushing teeth keeps us healthy and strong. It helps prevent germs and keeps us feeling clean and happy every day. Color time. Light blue. Red. Purple. Pink. Lastly, I am drawing hand wash palm. Color time. Purple. Yellow. Orange. Light green. Have a happy day!